Hi, welcome to Independence. We're going to step inside this beautiful home and give you a tour. So come on in. All right, so we are going to start in the main part of the home, which I would consider a great room. So plenty of space in here. You've got your dining area over there. And of course your beautiful kitchen, lots of windows across this back wall here, and this stunning paver patio courtyard. So I can imagine just lots of tables and chairs and some really nice barbecue coming off of that built-in grill. So over here you've got plenty of room for bar stools and the stainless appliances, gas cooking, this gorgeous backsplash, which I am super partial to. So plenty of that. We're gonna go back towards the front of the house. I just want you to see that. So that's the door we came in off of the front porch. Over here you do have a bedroom, which is a nice size. It's already capped for a ceiling fan, so that is here. You'll notice that there's just wood flooring throughout, so no carpet if that's important to you. You do have a full bath here at the front of the house for your guests. And this room over here, they are currently using as an office, but there is no reason you could not set this up as a bedroom or put a pull-out couch in here or a Murphy bed, all kinds of options for that room. So we're back to the main part of the house, and this is what we would call a split bedroom floor plan. So over on this side of the home is going to be your primary bedroom, which does have sliders going outside to that beautiful patio. We've got the windows over here letting lots of light in. We do have a tray ceiling. We have two walk-in closets. And who would not like that? Everybody loves space. You've got another one over here. So you've got the water closet here with a window. We've got the double vanity, and of course the nice tiled shower, the tiled pan, and room for a bench. So that is the primary bedroom. Got a little bit of everything. Already got the ceiling fan in this one. And then also over on this side of the home is going to be your laundry room. And then through here is the garage. So we'll take a look at that in just a moment. All right, so now we are outside on the side of the home, and they had just cut the grass here, which is included as part of your HOA fee. They do cut the lawn. So this is the back of the home where that beautiful paver patio courtyard is. We've got the hydrangeas that are in full bloom over here, and a little butterfly saying hello. So this home comes with geothermal and solar. So if you are interested in having very low utility bills, if that's important to you, this is a perfect home for that. The house itself is roughly 1,700 square feet, plus or minus. And I just wanted to show you the garage real quick. So they do have the epoxy floor. They've got plenty of storage over there. Some room there, that's part of the solar system. And there's your tankless hot water and some shelving. So that is the home. Thank you again for touring the home with me. If you'd like more information on this one, please don't hesitate to reach out. Great community, tons of amenities, and we can give you a little bit more information about what's included with that HOA fee. Just a really pretty home and a very well taken care of community. So thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next one.